Hello everyone, in this video I'll be going over how to create a C++ program on Windows 10. So the first thing we'll need is a C++ compiler, and this converts your C++ code into something called machine code so that you can run that on your computer. So let's go ahead and search for our compiler, and it's named MinGW. Now click on this link under the SourceForge site, and then go ahead and click on download. So once that's downloaded, you would have this Mingy get setup file. So go ahead and double click on that, click on install, and then take a note of the location of the MinGW folder, and then go ahead and click on continue. So once the installation is complete, go ahead and click on continue, and this should open up this window. So from here, go ahead and select this second row titled base, and then click on mark for installation. And then go ahead and select this row titled the GNU C++ compiler and do the same thing. And then go ahead and click on the installation tab and click on apply changes and click apply. Okay, so once that is done, go ahead and click on close. Now, those files will be pasted in the MinGW's bin directory. So that will be, in this case, in the C drive, MinGW, and right here. So I'd like you to copy this path. Just right click and click on copy address. So what we want to do is allow our operating system to detect the compiler. So let's go here and search for environment, and then click on this system environment variables, and click on environment variables. Scroll down here, select path, and then go ahead and click on edit, click on new, and then paste that path. Click OK. So now we will test the compiler. So go ahead and open up your command prompt. And here, go ahead and type C++ and hit enter. So if you see this message, then it means that the compiler has been detected by your operating system. So next we're going to write a simple C++ program that prints out a message. So let's go anywhere on your computer and create a folder for the source code file. So I'm going to go here to my users directory under documents, and you can create a folder named C++ projects. So I already have one there. So keep this directory open. Now let's go ahead and open up a text editor like Notepad, and we will write our C++ code. So let's go here at the top and type hashtag include space less than greater than symbol, and in those symbols go ahead and type IOStream. Let's go to the next line and type using namespace std semicolon. Let's go to the next line and then type int main parentheses braces. So in between the braces, let's go ahead and write the instruction to print out the message. So type cout, 2 less than symbols, 2 double quotes, and then in the double quotes type hello world. Let's go here, type 2 less than symbols again, and then type end L, and then a semicolon. Go to the next line, and then type return 0, and then a semicolon. So now let's go ahead and save our file. So go to File, Save As, and under here where it says Save As Type, go ahead and select all files, and then just navigate to your project folder, your C++ projects folder. And then let's name the file hello underscore world dot cpp, and then save. So next we will compile and run the program. So let's go to the C++ projects directory, and we want to copy this path. So right click the path right here, click copy address, and then let's go to your command prompt, and then type cd space, and then paste that path, and then hit the enter key. So make sure you're in the C++ projects directory. So now we will write an instruction that will convert the source code into an executable or machine code. So go ahead and type C++ space and the name of the source code file. So it's hello world, hello underscore world dot cpp. Then type space dash O space, and what comes next is the name of the executable file. So let's just call it the same thing. So hello underscore world dot exe. Go ahead and hit enter. And if everything works and you go back to your C++ project, you see a second file. So that right there is your executable. So next we will run that executable, and you do that by simply typing the name of the executable file. So just type hello underscore world and then hit enter. And it's running, and if you see this message, then your program works. So next I will show you how to uninstall MinGW. So you do that by just going back to this installation manager, and you can select those same files that you selected prior and click mark for removal, and do the same thing here. And then go ahead and click on installation and apply changes. Go ahead and click on close. And to test that the compilers have been removed, you can go back to your command prompt and then type C++ and then hit enter. And if you see the message saying that C++ is not recognized, then you successfully removed those compilers. And you can go further by uninstalling the installation manager. So you can just search for it and right click and then uninstall it. And you can also go to the location of that MinGW folder, select it, and hold shift and delete, and that will delete that permanently once you click yes. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching.